Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on Uber Eats. Now for you to use Afterpay, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to afterpay.com first and log in into your account. Now once you've logged in into your account, what you need to do is you need to search for Uber Eats here. Just type in Uber Eats. From here, you can just press on enter. And you'll see an option that says Uber US gift cards, and just click on it. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to choose the amount that you want to use. So in this case, it's just retained it to $10. And here you could either buy this for yourself or send this to a friend. Now here, if you click on the details section here, you'll have the option to view a few more details about this one. So currently this Uber, or the gift cards for Uber here, can be used on either Uber or Uber Eats. Now from here, the app's going to execute to reliable and ride in minutes, hundreds of favorites local restaurants. Now here, when you scroll down a bit, you'll see how it works. So you need to choose the amount you want to send to your e-gift cards. When you've made your purchase, you will receive an order confirmation and email from Afterpay. Now here, a second email with your e-gift card will be sent to your recipient's email address by Percy or chosen gift card supplier. Now from there, you just need to wait for the second email that you'll be receiving once you proceed with the purchase in here. And from there, you can just basically use that gift card into your Uber mobile application or account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.